lesson, you're going to learn how to change search parameters to find relevant scholarly articles in Google Scholar. Therefore, you will learn what to search depending on what project you're doing, why to use Scholar rather than normal Google search, and how to change parameters to make your search more specific or by making it the most recent or relevant search that you can. Therefore, you'll be able to use the most relevant research and understand how to manipulate Scholar overall. So let's go to Google Scholar, and from here you'll see that you can just look something up in here, or you can go over here to this bar and do an advanced search. First we're going to try a normal search, and we will do a search of general, let's see, Arctic sea ice extent. Let's try that. And we get a lot of results, more specifically 626,000 results for Arctic sea ice extent. Now, if we want to narrow this range, what we have to do is make more search parameters. So one way we could do this is by going over here and changing the date that we want the articles to be in. So if we want articles from this year, then we're going to do since 2018. If we want articles ranging from last year to this year, then since 2017. And then if you want to make a specific range, like 2015 to 2013, for some reason, if there's an article you know is within that time range, you can change it by making a custom range. We're going to do since 2018. And we get a lot of things such as impact of volcanic eruptions on decadal to centennial fluxion of Arctic sea ice extent. So maybe we're not interested in natural phenomenon, or maybe we're more interested in different components that may drive Arctic sea ice change. So to make a more specific search, depending on what we want, we can, since all of these are from 2018, there's still 7,000 results, we need to lower this down a little bit. How we can do that is by going up here, then going to advanced search, and then this will allow us to change our search depending on what we want. So if we want exact phrases like Arctic sea ice, or we'll go with Arctic sea ice for the exact range, and then extent, and then let's see, loss. Without the word, let's say we don't care about volcanoes, so volcano, or volcanoes. And then the words can occur anywhere in the article. So now we can choose to search this, and we only get 31 results. So we've significantly narrowed down our range. And what we did is we found all articles with the word extent and loss. We also have to have articles that have the exact phrase Arctic sea ice in them. And we don't want anything about volcano or volcanoes. So all the articles we see are from 2018, have those two words within them, this exact phrase, and none of these words. If we were to get rid of this, we'll see how many we get. 1,820. So that tells you that volcanoes might have an effect on Arctic sea ice, and maybe we should consider that as a factor if we're doing a research project on that. But if you don't care about that, then get rid of those words and you'll have a much narrower search. And then if you want the quotations, you don't necessarily have to go to advanced search. You can write it in yourself. If you do stuff just open like this, then it's going to be if this word is in the article. If you put them in quotations like this, then it's an exact phrase. And then if you want a specific site, you put site, and then we're going to put nature.com. And now search that. Now all the articles are from Nature. So that is a prestigious, well-known journal, and we know that it's trusted, so we can use this. and look at the information that we want for our research. So that is how you change the search parameters in Google Scholar.